A very good morning, dear students and parents. I hope you all are good and safe at your home. Today is 5th June and World Environment Day is celebrated every year on 5th June. So my dear little ones, what is environment? I know we all will have different definition for the single word. But in every simple verse, I will address environment as the surroundings in which we humans, plants and animals lives. Now let's just think that will we ever like to live in the surrounding that is bad or unhealthy? No, right? We always want to live in the surrounding or in the environment that is safe for us and for others. But today environment is under the threat. We are responsible for the pollution in the environment. Global warming, cyclones, untimely rains, pollution, disease, many more are the traits that show we are living in an imbalanced environment. So we should stop right away. I just want to say one more thing on this great day, to plant trees as much as you can, because we fully depend on trees. Today we are facing very critical situation. Today we realize what is the real cost of oxygen. So we should plant trees which gives us free oxygen. Plant at least one tree in any special occasion, like on your birthday. And teachers will also make you aware with some simple ways to save environment. And last but not the least, I just want to say that prevention is better than cure. So save environment, save life. Thank you.
I'm so tired. I want to take rest. Oh, it's a big tree. I can rest here. Oh, I'm feeling so refreshed. Now I can go back.
Oh, I'm so hungry. I need some food. I'm starving.
Oh, here is a big tree.
I got a mango.
It's so tasty.
La, 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 la.
Oh, it's what a beautiful flower. You get hurt. Wait, I will make natural medicine for you.
Oh, I get relief. Thank you.
Oh, it's a big tree. I have to cut it. Stop! Don't cut the tree. Trees are very helpful for us. They give us shade, fruits, beautiful flowers and medicines which are the necessities for our life. So, stop cutting trees. Stop cutting trees. Go green. Thank you. If you want to make the earth fantastic, say no to plastic. Say no to plastic. Plastics are very harmful for our environment. The chemicals that are used to manufacture plastic are known to cause cancer and other many diseases. Now, I will show you some best alternatives of plastic. My dear students, we often use this type of plastic bags to carry goods. हम सामान लाने के लिए मार्केट में इस तरीके की प्लास्टिक बैग्स का यूज़ करते हैं. But there are many other alternatives of this plastic bag. We can use this type of cloth bag or paper bag or jute bag, and we can stop using plastic. We often used to buy this type of plastic bottles for our water, but there are many other good alternatives of this plastic bottle. We can use this type of flash or steel bottle to carry our water. We should stop using this type of plastic bowls and we can replace it with glass bowl. We can use this type of glass instead of using plastic glass. So my dear kids, now I have taught you some very best alternatives of using plastic. Thank you. आओ मिलकर वचन ले, आओ मिलकर वचन ले, प्लास्टिक को हटाना है, प्लास्टिक को हटाना है, वातावरण को स्वस्थ बनाना है.
My dear students, if you have lots of items, plastic things at your home, I will show you how to reuse plastic items that you use. Okay, so here I have wastage plastic water bottle and I make this stand from water bottle. You have to cut it half and stick here like this pen stand. If you have wafer packets, rough wafer packets, then you can use that packets and make butterfly like this. Use your factory things and save our nature. Thank you. Fuel is a very important thing for everyday's activity. Fuel is a thing when heated produce energy. In today's world, fuel is undoubtedly ruling our world. Our basic requirement is roti, kapda and makan. For this we need fuel. Now I will tell you way of saving fuel. Assure your correct pressure of vehicle's tire using public transport. Okay, there are many ways to saving fuel. We have to save fuel for our living life, better life and for our next generation's life. Thank you.
Oh my god, everything is on, the lights, fan, AC, everything is on. What are you doing? You know, we have to save energy, we have to save electricity. I will give you some tips how can we save energy. Light bill. Oh my god, कितना सारा लाइट बिल आया है. सबका काम है लाइट्स ऑन करना और मेरा काम लाइट्स ऑफ करना. बेटा तुम्हें देखना होगा, सारी लाइट्स ऑफ करके बैठना होगा, तुम्हें सब कुछ समझना होगा.
हमारे स्कूल में भी यही डिस्कस हो रहा था कि हमें लाइट बिल बचाना चाहिए,
हमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को सेव करना चाहिए और काम ना हो तो सारी स्विचेस ऑफ करने चाहिए.
We should close the tap properly using it. Water is very important of life. Okay, if you love your life, always save the water. अगर हमें जीना है तो पानी को बचाना ही पड़ेगा. तो save water and save nature. Thank you.
Dear students, we all teachers have put all our efforts to make you aware of how trees helps to protect our environment. So my dear students, let's go for tree plantation.
खिलता अपना देवास, हम सब मिलकर इस मिट्टी का कर्ज चुकाएं. एक पौधा आज हम भी लगाएं.